asked me a question, says, why is your brand called Stus Superior Flies? Well, it's a wee story. There's always a story. So I decided to brand all my fly designs, obviously, because I'd done all the work and make it unique, because they are unique. And I was trying to figure out, because, I use the best quality materials, the best hooks, what I call them. I was calling them the best flies in the world, the bestest, world famous, blah, blah, blah. I was trying everything. And it went on for months and months and months, probably 6 months. And then I was back home. I had to go home for a funeral to Scotland. And I was talking to my mother. And she's like, what are you up to, son? Blah, blah, blah. And I goes, well, I'm doing this. And I was sort of ignoring her because I was busy working and trying to figure out the name. So she said, what are you trying to do? And I says, well, I've designed all these flies, as you know, Mum, since a kid and all the rest of it. And now I'm trying to create a company, a limited company, a brand. And I just can't get the name right. And, sorry, I'm slapping my hands here. I'm actually getting bitten by ants. So I need to move. But I'm going to finish this video. And so I told her all this stuff. And she looked at me and went, why don't you call it Stus Superior Flies? I was like, why didn't I ask my mum 6 months ago or longer? So that's why it's called Stus Superior Flies. Due to my mum. Thanks, Mum. Love you, Mum. And thank you all. Oh, no. Ow. Thank you all for supporting me. See ya. Ow. I was just thinking, as I was coming up there, there's nobody that sells fishing flies in the world does what I do. I'm not stroking my ego then, but this is a steep hill I'm having to climb. Oh, maybe I got 4 or 5 days of this, but hopefully the fishing's okay. At least I have some fun. Oh. To think a few days ago I was just a few days ago I was in a boat and I was desperate for a pee and we were nowhere near the shore and I didn't want to pee and get it in the guy's boat, so I emptied my water bottle, dangled my willy in there and had a pee, then pulled it out. And obviously, and then give it a bit of a rinse out, and today I'm swigging out of it. Can't smell it. It smells of beautiful water in there. And it's not going to kill me, is it? I could sit and talk to you for ages on this. But I'm looking up there. I've still got a wee way to go. Anyway, this is why you buy your flies from me. I design them, I fish with them, I go on missions. Everyone else just sits there at home clicking a ticket. That's not me. What is it? Anyway, love you and leave you from Tasmania. Woo! So this happens all the time here in the office in Tasmania. Well, look, there's another one on the down here. So yeah, I'm just trying to lie down because I struggle to sit because of my back and right. And I just went for a pee, and lo and behold, I got leeches on me. Yeah, so now I've got to check everywhere. It's amazing. They just stick to everything. They're pretty clever. They haven't found a soft enough spot to get into my blood yet, but let's get rid of them. See, they're hard to get rid of. Still on there. Go on, get off, you bugger. Okay, I'm just going to have to... Yeah. Okie doke. Say ya. So I'm hiding behind this bush. There's a snake just swam right across the lake, and it's just coming in here. I don't want it to hear me. Look at that. They're so wary. See him coming in. He's coming onto the land. Oh, he's hunting, I think. He or she. This is pretty cool. I'll see if I can zoom it in. Oh, man. Oh. So, everything stinks. I sat it in the car, just finished my camping, and I can't stand the smell, so I've learned a few tricks from some locals. This is a little bit of washing up liquid in both the boots, and then we take some water, and we're going to do that. Fill them up with water. I'm going to put the socks in there. I'll fill that with more water, a bit more dishwashing liquid. So once I've filled the boots up with some soapy liquid and some water, I'm going to give them a scrub. I'm going to add some more water, and then this is the trick. What you've got to do is find some wombat poo and some Tasmanian devil poo. You can usually tell the Tasmanian devil poo because it's got a bit of hair in it where they've been eating a few critters, and the wombat poo because it's square. And apparently you just put a cube of that in each one and a bit of Tasmanian devil poo, and you leave it overnight. That's all you do. And you do the same with the socks, and there you have it. The next morning everything will be smelling beautiful. Trust me. That's my tip for today from Tasmania. Thanks for watching, and thanks so much for your support. Remember, buy the best flies on the planet. Stus Superior Flies. Thank you. Love you all.